In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Expression Home or XP-402 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download these resetter or adjustment programs, the link on comments. Then, after you download this resetter, you can just extract the resetter by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. And click Extract button. For the next step, you can open the resetter folder, then run the adjustment programs. In here, you need to select the XP-402. After that, you can click OK. Continue by clicking particular adjustment mode button in here and select washing pad counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick main pad counter and the flatten pad counter options. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialization button. After the resetting is successfully, you can click finish and you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. If you face error in here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computer. After that, you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how you can reset Epson Expression Home or XP-402 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill in the form comments below. Thanks for watching.